Hey everyone, today is Sunday, September 17th, and I just here at my place, raining out as you can tell, and I kind of plan on going hunting. Hopefully the rain lightens up a little bit, kind of thing, and I'm also making some hash browns here. I flipped them once, and they're just steaming away. I like them nice and crispy. Yeah, so hopefully everybody enjoys my video, and we'll talk to you soon. Alrighty everyone, I'm probably like 1 minute away from my property, and I come across about 5 partridge on the road, and so this is one of them. So I'm off to a pretty good start already, and yeah, it kind of stopped raining. It's actually pretty nice out. Hopefully everybody keeps on watching, and we'll be alrighty everyone. What we're gonna try to do is walk down the road a little bit here and see if I can nice and quietly see if I can see any birds. But yeah, what I got here is a Lakefield Mossberg 12 gauge pump. It's loaded, got 1 shell in it. Safety's on. It sure is quiet in the bush here. It's always good just to stop and have a look around. And the leaves aren't quite off the trees yet, but this is a pretty well pined forest anyways. But sure is quiet here. All right, we're gonna keep on hunting. Alrighty, I'm just gonna walk back to the bike here. See if I can see any birdies up on the hill here. Not a one. There's a really nice forest here, all these spruce trees. Just absolutely beautiful. yeah, other than seeing about 5 partridge on the road, I haven't seen one yet. So what I'm gonna do is turn around, drive slowly back to my camp. And maybe we could see some more on the way back. Alrighty, everyone. So this is the partridge I shot, and I didn't see any more after that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it, but I'm not going to show you all the gore and the guts of cleaning a bird. But yeah, so I'm going to clean it and then I'm going to cook it. So stay tuned. Alrighty. So now I've cleaned it. And I'm going to just cook this like I would chicken. And I'm going to cook it for roughly half an hour, 45 minutes. And then I'm going to add some pepper to it right now. But yeah, I'm going to cook it really nice and slow, take my time. And it's a good, tasty, fresh partridge. The meat was still warm when I cleaned it, so this is about as fresh as you can get it. Nice, fresh, tasty partridge. Alrighty, everyone, it's been about 40 minutes, and I haven't turned it at all. Just let it cook nice and slowly at about 400 degrees. Kind of tough. Let's see. It's also a dull knife. But it does look a very cook all the way through. And it's kind of steaming. It is kind of tough. Very tough. I haven't had partridge in about 3 years. But yeah, it's pretty tough. So hopefully everybody liked my video today. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. And if you did like my video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of my adventures. Very tough meat. I didn't think it'd be that tough. But yeah, have a good weekend, everybody. Bye for now.